Here's a 2014 Jeep Cherokee. You're going to want to take the long way home in this adventurously civilized Cherokee. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Uconnect with Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, MultiAir2 Tigershark engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver finds it feels planted on the road, more car-like than truck-like, with crisp steering, well-damped body motions, little or no roll in corners, and pinpoint braking control. Experience the Jeep life. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.